Well, we're in New England. You haven't heard from me for a couple days. We've been getting settled in and getting everything we needed. And getting down here, we had the worst flights I've ever had. We got delayed in Nassau. Flight was supposed to leave at 1:25, get to New York at 4:43. Next one at 4:59. Real tight to begin with. The flight got canceled or delayed in Nassau. We didn't leave till after 2, I think it was 2:30. And so of course we missed the other flight. So then we had to get a 10:40 flight from New York to Portland, Maine. And that flight, the flight crew for that one was coming from Charlotte, North Carolina. They were delayed, so we didn't end up leaving till 12:30. We didn't get till Portland till pretty close to 2:30, I think. And the problem wasn't so much with us. Yes, it was a pain in the neck, but it was for Hello, because with Hello, she's in her carrier. So she was really good till like 12:30 when we got on the plane to go to Portland, and she had a little accident then. If it had been me, I would have been having accidents long before. So with her, she was in that carrier 18 and a half hours before she had an accident. So that's pretty damn good, I think. We finally got here. We got finally to bed at 4 o'clock, so it was like a 24-hour day, travel day. Get up at 4, get things ready, close up the house, blah, blah, blah. And we got to bed at 4 o'clock, and of course, since I'm not a great sleeper, I ended up getting up at 7, so that was kind of a tiring day. But we're here. We went to lunch. I'll show you that in a minute. We went to lunch up at Castle on the Clouds in New Hampshire. Always a beautiful view as long as it's not cloudy. Looks over Lake Winnipesaukee. Beautiful. So I'll show you more of that, and there'll be more to come. Canadian geese resting in the shade. What is there? 2, 4, looks like 6 of them over there, maybe 7. I remember one time there was 30 of them here. Well, the sun's out, but as you can see, I got some good clouds. Thought I just heard a rumble, so we might have some thunderstorms, which wouldn't be the worst thing in the world, considering grass is really dry. Hasn't rained here a whole lot. Yeah, I just heard some good rumbles, so I'm not sure if we're going to get it or whether it's going to stay to the south of us. We'll see. Sounds like a good one.